to it? Did it catch fire and like...
It's been fixed with expanding twin.
Fixed? Is that what you call fixed?
This is what like...
Well, you can barely tell it happened. I was looking at it before and I didn't even notice.
That's how good it is.
His doesn't have a supercharger though, so that's cool.
What I do love is the bench seats.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so comfortable. Luxury in the back. You get your own air conditioner controls. You get your own cigarette lighter hole.
You know, this is exciting to me, even though all modern day cars have this.
I love old options.
Oh, check that out.
Yeah, every guy gets his own nice air conditioner there. It really reminds me of the back seat of the car in the under the bridge scene in the Matrix when Neo goes and meets the guys.
Yeah, it does.
It's just like that. The back, that all the fittings and stuff you can see. Audio controls back here. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the head unit anymore. So that died not long before I got it. Air conditioner control in the back.
That dash in the Nico.
It is a fancy boy.
Rear aircon.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is that from the rear?
Cooler box.
Oh, what?
That's fucking...
That's nuts. Go down as well, or?
Yeah, that's your armrest in the front. Thanks, man. That's your armrest there.
That's nuts.
I think there's one here too. You can put your wine glasses in there.
Oh, of course.
Because, that's what...
You need to have wine glasses in this car.
Lock died like 2 days ago.
Oh,
Very
really?
sad. Yeah, that upset me greatly. I'll have to pop it out. Put a little purple one in it.
Oh, no way!
What, the back?
Oh, yeah, forgot about that.
The back?
Holy crap.
Power seats.
That's cool.
I can honestly say I've never seen that in my life.
That is luxury right there.
I don't know, I prefer this to... I don't know, it's just simple.
Yeah, it's wonderful, isn't it? Swinging vents.
Swinging vents.
It has pretty much every feature that I had a UZS 171 Majesta, it's a 2000 model. The only features that it had that this one doesn't are like the DVD system and stuff, the electronic stuff, but every other feature in the vehicle is the same. This is actually a nice little guy. This is a clear panel here.
Oh, it is too?
It's freaking amazing.
Oh wow, there goes the aircon swinging at me.
That's where you keep your switchblade, I guess.
Handbrake, that's cool as fuck as well.
Foot handbrake, but what I love is on the tree. Overdrive on and off.
Yeah, it's got so many transmission options. So you got your overdrive.
What? How has it got transmission options?
Transmission options. You've got overdrive if you want it. So if you're towing, you've got economy mode, which is on, regular, power mode. What the? Check out here. It just
There's so many solenoids on that gearbox.
Economy, overdrive. Yeah, massive valve body on it. I've been trying to look for an automatic transmission filter for it and cannot get it. There's a nice little green light that illuminates as you get positive pressure on the supercharger. It's a very novelty.
How much did you pay for this?
I ended up paying, what was it, 3,200 for
Fuck.
it. Yeah,
Fuck,
she wanted
cheap.
She wanted 38, but drove a hard bargain.
Let me see if we can
Look, power windows, and then I went to go turn my car and my battery's down.
I see supercharger. Is it actually supercharged or is it?
It is.
It's actually supercharged.
Actually supercharged. The charger doesn't work very well at the moment.
It's actually aircon charge. Yeah, look, let me just light that up for you so you can get a picture.
Has it been playing in the dust?
What?
Man,
Are they aware that, they break a lot? Is that what it's there for?
I think it's there for that one time it breaks down ever. I think, just in case. Just in case. It's been rained on a few times.
Bottle in the seats.
Yeah, it's got
Bucket seats from factory.
JZA70 factory.
Oh, it is?
Yeah,
well, it's a factory one from somewhere, isn't it?
Yeah, or JZA70R seats, the ones that come in.
Man, I feel like this whole car is just era-specific everything.
I used to have one.
A Mark III Supra?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, with the 1J. Wow, it's suddenly become canned. amount of vacuum leads going on here though.
Yeah. No, it's not too bad. I got the.
It has to be blue though.
Yeah.
Did a big single conversion to GT35 with the 6-boost manifold. It's great. Nice plumb back valve. Big ass set of Paradigm thermo fans here, like drag race fans. Everyone goes on about their AU Falcon fans. These shift like an extra 40% on top of them.
Really?
Yeah.
Now, if you've ever owned an M70, MA70 Supra, these never last. Ever last.
Yeah, the rest of it can look real nice, but your mirror will die.
That is fucking sick.
Wait, what?
There's something fresh tomorrow.
Oh wow, let's see.
They made sure to paint everything under their 326 power style, so it looks real good when I flip it on its lid. Everyone knows what's in it when it's on its roof. Also, you know, for passenger security, I have the fire extinguisher right there. ECU too. Yeah. So I like to be safe, leopard print because I like to party. It's a lot of fun. Got a full set of ancient G-ready gauges, which is pretty good. Warning meter or whatever they're called, with memory. So they've got a warning function. So say you don't want to overboost past a certain amount, you can set that with the gauge. So, you know, I want it to tell me and blink red when it gets to 1.2, you leave that, red light will come on. You also get a memory function to see where it's gotten to maximum the past, reset that by holding it. So that's a good way to keep track of things without having to actually look at the gauge the whole time.
That's quite genius.
Same for oil and water temp there. AFR, not too bad. No, it's pretty fun.
Absolutely. Is anybody
So this is Loki's car. I'm sure you've seen this floating around on all S chassis forums of people that absolutely love it and people that absolutely hate it.
It is a 180 SX with a Z32 headlights, S14 Series 2 bonnet, 180 guards, East Bear lip, and a bit of a rocker bunny kit. It's a bit of a mix and match of everything.
Yeah, a little bit. I love that people either love it or they absolutely fucking hate it.
I kind of like it. I think it's pretty funny. It's enjoyable watching people's reactions. This car originated as a very, very clean strawberry front 180, so it had S15 front. For people who don't know, Ichigo is 1, 5, or strawberry in Japanese. So that's why I called it Ichigo. And it just stuck with it because I went 14 front and then back to 180 front and now Zil80 front. So it's just...
Zil80 front.
Yeah. The headlights with 300ZX headlights are the worst freaking headlights of visibility. It's made nighttime driving annoying, to say the least.
Will you shut up? Fuck! What have you done to make it so wide? Are they just massive spaces and massive offset?
There is no spaces on this car.
What?
They are not spaces. It has fronts, I think, 18 by 10 plus 8, and rears are 18 by 12 minus 40. With R33 rear and S14 LCAs at front. The whole wheels were custom made by a dude in Japan. I think he had them on a Chaser or, I don't know, something crazy. And he spent $8.5 grand getting them built. So you got all the custom hardware, the centers, the offset, and the anodized dish and all that type of thing. And then I imported them over and got them for around 5 or 6 grand after shipping.
So a bargain, really?
Yeah, pretty much.
Only
it was
6
a
grand.
bargain. Only 6 grand.
Fuck.
That's including like shipping and stuff. So.
Yeah, big boy wheel though.
Yeah, nah, they're nice. They're really light, so they're really good for drifting, but they're really pretty, so that's kind of not good to drift on.
What about the tail lights? Because everybody notices the tail lights. The car's really dirty at the moment. but
pretty dirty.
she doesn't even live in this city anymore, so it's
So
got to be an excuse for something.
the tails themselves were, the housings were bought off eBay, LEDs you can buy off eBay, everything you can buy off eBay. These little strip things here, you just buy their DRL, so they're indicators and reverse lights. And then the halos here are made by a company called Starry Night, so they're RGB halos. And these are just literally just LEDs in cross format with some opaque lighting on top of them, and they're just DIY. The housings themselves are one piece, so to get them when you buy them off eBay you have to cut them up with a Dremel, get into them, make sure you seal them correctly, otherwise they'll leak. And as this one now is, it has water damage, so my indicator does all its own haywire thing. So I have to pull them apart and rebuild them sooner or later. So rough overview, 326 power wing,
326,
Origin logo, rear bar, Rocket Bunny Series 2 kit, so flares and skirts, stock SR 180 bar on the front, modified with the headlights cut out, the Series 2 bonnet, the Zil80 headlights, modified 180 guards, east bear front lip, and aero mirrors.
Jesus.
Inside of a motor, I don't know the thin part. I don't know the pretty parts.
No, so these are super rare. There's only 3 pairs of these I know of in the world. One pair is here. The second pair is in Japan on a guy's car. His name's Hiroto Hosakani. He's a good friend. And the third pair is MIA. Yeah, so they were made apparently in the 90s for a D1 team that were competing in Japan at the time. And then when they'd finished with them, they put them on Yahoo Japan, sold them. Yeah.
And you ended up with one of them.
Yeah, somehow ended up with a pair. I knew a guy who knew a guy, so.
How much do they cost?
I think they're the thing that sets this car apart. Like every time I see this car, I see the side vents.
Without these, I don't think it would stand out as much, to be honest.
If it was any other colour, it wouldn't look that good either. Like if I seriously considered doing the car white, but if I'd done it white, it'd probably look borderline ricey or Lamborghini style. Like,
The bronze black pulls together like Knight Rider.
Yeah, I just need like the LED strip and the hello, welcome. Only in the Japanese, ohio. Yeah, no, hello, Micah.